Mua xong rồi trả. Mua đồ làm máy lạnh xong rồi dư rồi về đi trả. Dư rồi đi trả nè. Dư rồi đi trả. Vô liếc nó nữa, trả nữa rồi. Mua dư trả nữa rồi. Đi cái này trước đi. Hay á. Để đi trả đồ. Hey Rob. Morning. How are you? Hi Nick.
Hey Fred, what's up?
I didn't know how to use this yesterday.
Yeah, alright.
I return it, put it in my credit, Rob, please.
Alright, no problem at all. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad?
And I got a trunk.
Okay.
Đường ống máy lạnh đây. Ví dụ. Farmer,
What's that?
how are you?
Good. Bro.
So that job was done. The condenser and the line sets, everything. I thought I had to use this, Rob. But I got the little section like this. I thought it was short. So I got this. Nick.
Nikolai. What are we, is this home movies?
No, she's making she got some friends on YouTube. She's making.
I'm on YouTube?
Yeah.
For real?
She got a YouTube channel. Anyways.
Anything else new?
Yes, Rob, I would like to get, oh yes, I had my second interview with Tim.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, they were actually just here picking stuff up.
And it